Best sliding window air conditioner. In this video, I will share with you some awesome best window air conditioners. Here are my full reviews of the best sliding window air conditioners. Number 1. hOmeLabs Window Mounted Air Conditioner. Offering you 7 speed settings, you get enough fine-tuning options to meet all your cooling needs with the hOmeLabs air conditioner. To make for a wider fit, you also get 2 options that run your unit as a fan. It extends its super chill to up to 150 square feet of space. And operates quietly, so even sitting or standing next to it will not bring you any discomfort. It also has 2-way air control adjustments to give more focus to certain areas of your room. But that's not all. The filter in this best sliding window air conditioner is of high grade. It contains a bacterial treatment that purifies your air. Once dirty, it is washable and reusable, so will not increase your overhead costs. In the pack are the filter, support brackets, leaf guards, a window seal foam, and a DIY installation guide. Straight out of the box, you will be able to get the cool around your room in no time. The best part? This air conditioner can as well be used in RVs as it is energy efficient. It requires less power to run while delivering for you an 11.1 EER, energy efficiency ratio. This promises efficiency and lowers costs. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. FRIGIDAIRE FFRA0511R1 Window Mounted Air Conditioner. Included with complete installation and mounting kit, you will get to set up this unit without needing anything else. As one of its several unique features, this best sliding window air conditioner provides you with a dehumidification feature, 1.1 pints per hour. This combines with the antibacterial filter to eradicate all odor and contaminants in your room air. They, however, do so without compromising your comfort by maintaining the optimal moisture content in the air. 2-way air direction control. Capable of cooling down 150 square feet, it is ideal for small and medium-sized rooms. You get 7 cooling speeds and 2 fan speeds. This makes it a great fit for your varied needs. To add, the 2-way air direction control can be used to direct the airflow pattern as desired. Despite its superior function, this air conditioner requires less power to start up and run. Whenever it is switched on, it resumes its most recent setting, so you do not have to reselect it all the time. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. FRIGIDAIRE FFRS1022R1 Slider Casement Room Air Conditioner. Providing you up to 10,000 BTUs, this best sliding window air conditioner will cover a lot of space, up to 450 square feet. Its controls are digital, and for across-the-room convenience, a remote control is included. All kits required for a complete setup are as well included. Get the dehumidification going. This unit also has a dehumidification feature, 3.4 pints per hour. This combines with the air filter to give you clean air that is not dried out. This unit has a unique check filter alert, so you know when it needs cleaning. And for the best cooling, the FRIGIDAIRE FFRS1022R1 has 4-way air direction. Thus, you can direct airflow in a way that best pleases you. For convenience and practicality, this air conditioner has an energy saver mode. This automatically changes the unit's energy requirements, thereby regulating your room temperature and keeps it optimal by toggling between low and high power settings. There is also a 24-hour on and off timer setting. Overall though, at its EER, energy efficiency ratio, of 10.4, it is very energy efficient. Easy to install, and with its noiseless operation, it is an all-in-one. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 4. FRIGIDAIRE FFRS0822S1 Heavy Duty Slider Casement Window Air Conditioner. At its 10.9 EER, energy efficiency ratio, the FRIGIDAIRE FFRS0822S1 is a very efficient cooling unit. It puts out up to 8,000 BTUs per hour to cover a 350 square foot area. Also, with dehumidification rate of up to 3 pints an hour, it is one that covers all areas of your need. Several cooling options. This best sliding window air conditioner offers you several cooling options and a fan setting as well. While the cooling can be set to your preferred temperature level, you could also use it on the energy saver mode. On this mode, you get automatic low-high unit changes that keep the cool while using less power, providing you with quiet operation. It's very comfortable to use, also, with a remote control giving you even more comfort. Take a deep breath. To add safety to these comfort features, the mesh filter is antibacterial. This helps purify the air of germs, odor, and particles to make your breathable air safer. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 5. PerfectAire 3 PASC10000 Window Air Conditioner. The PerfectAire window unit, at 10,000 BTUs, will cover an area up to 450 square feet large. It is included with digital controls, and a remote so is easy to use. Take a quick look at its features. You get a timer option with this best sliding window air conditioner. Programmable up to 24 hours, you can get it to switch on and off by itself. This is great if you want to save energy and would want your house cool before you get back, for example. Also included is an energy saver mode that helps you save the most power while not compromising on cooling efficiency. Finally, it has an air filter. This removes dust and other particles from the air to make it cleaner. What is great though, is that with the PerfectAire, you don't have to randomly clean out the collected particles. Once it requires cleaning, the check filter sign blinks, so you know just what to do. This filter is front-mounted and is easy to access for removal and replacement. All installation kits and a guide are included, so getting it up is only a matter of minutes. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.